So Casio just dropped something that's turning heads, the GMC-B2100ZE-1A. And trust me, this one's special. It's a full metal G-Shock, but with a twist. Casio designed this bad boy to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Casio watch series. And when I say it's on another level, I mean it. It's like the perfect blend of rugged toughness and classy elegance. First off, check out that black ion-plated case and band. It's got that classic G-Shock durability, 200 meters of water resistance, shock resistant, the whole 9 yards. But this time, it's dressed up in a sleek black and gold combo. And let's be real, how often do you see a G-Shock this premium? Especially in this colorway? It's a rare find for sure. But it's not just about looks. This watch is packed with tech. It's got Casio's tough solar technology, so no need to worry about the battery dying on you. Plus, with Bluetooth, it syncs up to the Casio Watches app for some cool extra features. Auto time adjustment, world time for 300 cities, and even a phone finder. Because, let's face it, we've all lost our phone at least once, right? And because this is a special edition for the 50th anniversary, Casio didn't hold back on the details. The case back has a unique design, and you've got that 50th anniversary engraving on the gold ion-plated band link. It's these little touches that make it feel like a collector's piece. Even the packaging is something to talk about. Eco-friendly and designed to commemorate the anniversary, Casio's really paying tribute to the past while looking ahead. So, how much will this set you back? Well, G-Central hints at a $930 price tag in US, which might sound steep, but when you factor in the design, the tech, it starts to make sense. If you're into G-Shocks, this one's definitely worth checking out. The GMC-B2100ZE-1A is officially available for pre-order in Japan, priced at 121,000 yen with taxes included. And it's also set for an October release in Asia, listed at Singapore dollar $1099 in Singapore. US buyers can expect it to land soon at around $930, while G-Shock UK has it coming soon for £869. In comparison, the silver models from this series go for about $800, so you're definitely getting something extra special with this one. If you're thinking about grabbing it, don't wait too long. Casio's hinted that new colorways won't be coming anytime soon, so this might be your best shot. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you in the next one.